December is here, and with that means one thing for dropshippers: it's money season. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to find winning products, this is it. The peak of Q4, the busiest, the most profitable time of the entire year, all right? So in this video, I'm gonna show you the top Shopify dropshipping products to sell in December. Real products that are already generating sales and have high profit margins and are just trending in the social media right now, okay? And also, we're gonna check their actual sales data, sourcing prices from AliExpress, and also I'm gonna calculate the real profit margins just for you, right? So by the end of this video, you will know exactly which products to list in your dropshipping store today, okay? All right, so let's just dive in right now, you and me. Let's go. So the first product that I have to show you is this Christmas bracelet. And yes, it has to be connected with the best time of the year, Christmas, in my opinion. Christmas fashion continues to prove itself year after year with a high margin niche, especially with products like this one right here, okay? Here's an example of a Shopify dropshipping store currently selling this product. And then when I added the product to the cart, I could see that the total price, including shipping, is $31.49. But here's the big question. Does this product actually have good sales behind it, or is it one of those items with minimum traction? Since Shopify does not share sales data publicly, I'm going to use a tool to find out, all right? It's the Shopify Store Sales Tracker from ZIK Analytics. And what I'm going to do is I'll simply copy the store URL like this. I'm going to go here and paste it into the Store Sales Tracker, okay? And then I'm going to click search like this, and then within seconds I can see a full analysis of the store, including its best performing products. And here's what I found: that this exact product right here sold 31 times in the past 30 days. You know, it's not a huge number, you're right, okay? But let's just check if the profit margin makes it worth selling it. For that, I'm just gonna go here, I'm gonna click here in the item finder, okay? Look, it's loading. I see many, like multiple exact matches. All right, let's just go with this one right here like that. And look at that. All right, the product costs only $2.61 plus $1.99 for shipping. So that's a total of $4.60 for an AliExpress choice product that costs less than $10. So let's just calculate the profitability. The Shopify store sells this item for $31.49, including shipping. Shopify fees are 2.9% plus 30 cents. That's a total of $1.21. The AliExpress sourcing price is $4.60, including shipping. The profit per sale is $25.68. With 31 sales in the past 30 days, that's about $796 in profit before ads and other expenses. Guys, this is a simple, easy to sell product with over 85% profit margin, okay? Now, that's what I call a profitable holiday winner, okay? Merry Christmas, everyone. But anyway, the next product is definitely one of the most, how can I say this? One of the trendiest and most durable gifts for Christmas 2025. It's the smart glasses, okay? Like, this is one of those products that no one can go wrong with. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's cool. It's just cool. It's futuristic. It's practical, and the demand it's nice. Plus, the social media engagement are just through the roof, as you see it, right? Now, take a look at this Shopify dropshipping store selling this product right here. So they're selling it for $99 with free shipping. And then when I scanned the store using the ZIK Store Sales Tracker, I found out that they sold this item 75 times in the past 30 days. You see that? That's already a very strong performance. But let's just source the same product on AliExpress using the item finder, okay? Like this, it's loading. All right, I'll go with this one right here, and look at that. You see that, my friends? It's the exact same product, exact same model, priced at $44.14 plus $7.67 for shipping. So that's a total of $51.81. Now let's just calculate the profit, okay? The Shopify store sells it for $99. Shopify fees are 2.9% plus 30 cents, which is about $3.17. Now, the AliExpress sourcing price is $51.81, including shipping. So that means that the profit per sale is around $44, okay? $44. And then you take 75 sales in the past 30 days in a month. The store made around $3,330 in profit, okay? Before operational costs and so on. So that's over $3,300 profit in 1 month from a single trendy product that can be easily sourced from AliExpress. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, so we covered 2 great products that you should definitely add to your dropshipping store today. And before we continue, if you're enjoying this video, I would really appreciate if you could like this video, subscribe to our channel, because it helps us grow and keep creating more tutorials like this one. We are trying to reach the 100,000 subscribers point, so help us get there, all right? And also, if you want to use the same product research and validation tools that I'm using in this video, you can start using ZIK Analytics today. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. The next product is perfect for the colder months of the year, and it makes for a fun family activity. I'm talking about the alphabet chocolate mode, okay? And as you can see in this video, the creative possibilities with this product are just endless, okay? It's perfect for baking, for parties, birthdays, and family events and so on. And it performs great on social media thanks to its visual appeal. Here's one example of a store selling this product right here. This dropshipping store sells this product for 65 dirhams, which is around $18, okay? And when I scanned this store, I found out that it sold 80 units in the past 30 days. So let's just check the sourcing price together. And look at this, my friends. I found the exact same product on AliExpress, going for only $2.36 plus $1.99 for shipping. So that's $4.35. That means that the profit per sale is $13, okay? With 80 sales, that's around $1,000 monthly profit from one simple low-cost product. Don't go anywhere. Let me show you the next product right here, which is you might add to your store. I recommend it to. Let me tell you, this is the kind of product that buyers often purchase more than once because it's an affordable way to stay fashionable, all right? Because you can just change the strap and then you can make it look like, you know, you got a brand new watch. You know what I mean? And here's an example of a Shopify dropshipping store selling this product. And look at the price, $31.50. And when I scanned it using the ZIK store sales tracker, I found out that it sold 43 times in the past 30 days. Then when I looked for sourcing options on AliExpress, guess what? I found a similar and like almost identical design for $8.70 plus $1.30. So that's $10, okay? And that gives us a profit of $21.28 per sale, which means that the profit is actually higher than the sourcing cost itself. So with 43 sales in the past month, that's around $900 in monthly profit from just one stylish, easy to sell product, my friends. All right, don't go anywhere. Let's go to the next product right here that I want to show you. And the next product is a fairly new item in the market. It's this multi-port USB charging station with LED lamp. So this is a great gift idea, especially for students or anyone who needs an organized, space-saving charging setup, okay? And guess what? I found a Shopify dropshipping store selling this product right here for $42.22, which is a decent price for such a functional and modern gadget. Then when I scanned the store using the ZIK store sales tracker, I discovered that the product has sold 50 times in the past 30 days, okay? So let's just go with the sourcing option here. I found the exact same product on AliExpress for just $29.76 with free shipping. That means that the profit per sale is around $11 after Shopify fees. And with 50 sales in the past month, my friends, that's around $550 in profit. Look, not bad for a simple trending tech accessory, you know, that's both useful and giftable. Let me show you the next product in our list here. Practical, elegant, and something that every pet owner needs is this adjustable pet feeding dish bowl. Okay, it is pretty cool because this product is designed to give pets the ideal feeding height so they can like eat comfortably without bending down, and it's both functional and thoughtful, you know. And then I found this product being sold in a Shopify Dropshipping store for $155.97 with free shipping. And I have to say, the product presentation looks amazing, looks very luxurious, you know. And then when I scanned the store using the ZIK store sales tracker, I discovered that it sold 27 times in the past 30 days. Now, here's where things get interesting. When I sourced the exact same product in AliExpress, I found it for just $44.06 with free shipping. That's a profit of around $107 per sale after Shopify fees. Yes, you heard that right, my friends. You heard that right. A single product generating over $100 profit per sale. Not bad, right? Are you ready for the biggest find in today's video? Here it is. It's the pet hair remover for laundry. So basically this disc-shaped paw product is designed to remove pet fur without any effort, okay, without hassle. You can just throw it in the washing machine or even use it manually, you know, like to remove fur in seconds. It's a very simple product really with just huge market fit and massive demand among pet owners. Now, check this out. I found a store selling a 4-pack of this product for $14. And then when I added the product to the checkout, I saw that there is a $6.99 price charge for shipping. So in the end, the total price is $20.99, okay? Then when I analyzed the store using ZIK store sales tracker, I discovered that it sold 650 units in the past 30 days. It's just incredible numbers for such a low cost product, okay? Now, let's just check the sourcing price. Okay, I'll stay here. Let's do this, okay? Because it's gonna blow your mind, okay? On AliExpress, I found the exact same product, a 2-pack for 99 cents. So a 4-pack would cost $1.98 with an extra $5.20 shipping fee. Total cost would be $7.18. So that means that this dropshipping store is profiting around $13 per sale after Shopify fees. And with 650 sales in 30 days, that's around $8,450 in monthly profit. You see that? It's a small, simple product with huge market demand and incredible potential. And as you can see, it's trending right now. It's trending, which makes this the perfect time to add it to your store. And there you have it, my friends. 7 profitable Shopify dropshipping products to sell in December, from Christmas gifts to, you know, year-round bestsellers. Each of these products has proven data behind it. It has strong margins, real sales, and viral potential. Now, it's your turn to take action. Test a few of these products in your store, create engaged short form content, you know, on social media, use ZIK Analytics to validate the results, you know, and even to find more winning products. If you found value in this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which product you're planning to test first. And as always, you know, keep researching, keep testing, keep scaling. December is your month to win big. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.